Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. I wanted to take a moment today and discuss the available heads-up display we have in some of our models. I'm standing here with a beautiful Telluride SX Prestige, which will have this feature. Now, what it does, it'll project information up onto the windshield, such as your speed, navigation information, even entertainment info, as well as alerts from any of your safety features like your forward collision avoidance, your lane keeping assist, etc. So there will be actually a projector in the dashboard which will put this information up on the windshield directly in your line of sight. Now, this is only available for the Telluride in the SX Prestige model. We don't have any on the lot or currently inbound. However, if you're interested in trying to get one, we do have ways in which it's possible to produce one. So if you want to check out this exciting system or have any questions about it, call or stop by today.